Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your PayPal debit card expiration date. This is an important detail to know because your expiration date is used for online purchases, subscriptions, and verifying your card in different payment systems. If you need to quickly check when your PayPal debit card expires, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This can be useful if you're updating a payment method, confirming card details for a purchase, or just making sure your card is still current before using it. It also helps you avoid declined payments when a card is close to expiring or needs to be replaced. To begin, open PayPal and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Wallet section and click on it. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have both personal and business PayPal profiles. The Wallet area is where PayPal keeps your saved payment methods, cards, and related account information. So this is the right place to go whenever you need to review card details. Think of it as your central hub for managing everything related to payments in one place. After you open Wallet, find the PayPal debit card you want to check. If you have more than one card or payment method listed, take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct PayPal debit card. This is especially important if you've added multiple cards over time, since selecting the wrong one can lead to confusion. Go ahead and click on that card to open its details. Once the card is selected, you'll be taken to the card information page. Here you'll be able to see the card details associated with that debit card, including the expiration date. In some cases, you may also see additional details like the last 4 digits of the card or security-related information, depending on your account setup. This is the key information you're looking for, and it should be displayed along with the rest of the card's basic details. If you don't immediately see the expiration date, make sure you're viewing the correct card details page and not just a general wallet overview. Sometimes users accidentally stay on the overview screen, which doesn't show full card information. In most cases, selecting the card directly is what reveals the additional information. So, if something doesn't appear right away, just double check that you've actually opened the card details view. Also, depending on whether you're using the PayPal website or mobile app, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall steps are the same. On mobile, the Wallet tab may be located in the menu, while on desktop, it's usually visible in the top navigation. And that's all there is to it. Just click Wallet, select the PayPal debit card you want to check, and then view the card details where the expiration date appears. This is a quick and easy way to confirm your card information whenever you need it. If you're following along, just take your time and double check that you've opened the right card so you see the correct expiration date.